Hi, good morning. I am a bird. Why? Because I have wings. I can fly. I love to fly. I am a crow. Why? I am black in color and I am a bird. I love to fly. Zoo, zoo, zoo. Oof. It's too hot today. So, which season it is? Right. It's summer. Too hot. Ooh. I am feeling very thirsty. Yes, I'm feeling very thirsty. What you will do if you feel thirsty? What you will do if you feel thirsty? Yeah, you will drink water. Right. I want water. Wait, I will search for water. I will fly and search. Where is water? I want water. I'm thirsty. Where is water? I can't find water anywhere. Hey! I can see a pot filled with water. I love water. I will go and drink water. Shoo, shoo. Oh. I'm getting hurt. Oh, my beak, poor beak. Oh, friends, I can't reach water. Why? This pot has only little water. My beak can't reach that. What can I do? Think. Yes! I got an idea. I can see so many pebbles here. I will pick pebble one by one and put it inside the pot. Let's do it. Yes, one pebble, two pebbles. Yes, pick. I'll pick fast. Yes, water is coming up. I need little more pebbles. Quick. I'll fly and pick the pebble and drop into the pot. I fly and pick the pebble and put into the pot. Yay! I can see the water is coming up and I can drink the water now. Okay, no more talks. I will drink water. Yes. Now I'm no more thirsty. I drank water. Yes, friends. When you are in trouble, don't worry and cry. Search for idea and use your mind. You can solve the problem. Yes, it's a story of thirsty crow. Friends, along with this, I request you all to do me and my friend a favor. As it is a summer season, many of my friends while flying feel too thirsty, but they can't get water whenever they need. Can you all do us a help? Please fill the nearby water pits with water, or you can keep water in a small bowl in your balcony or maybe in terrace where my friends can fly and whenever they want water can have water. Please do help us to get away from our thirsty feeling and save our life during the summer. Thank you. Love you all. Bye bye. I will fly. You want to? You can come and fly with me. Fly, fly, fly. Thank you.